Here everybody, this is Myron. We're gonna sing with this turtle dove. Ain't that right? Jesus sent Myron. Headed on the train down south, wonder when. Oops, Myron, I messed up. Headed on the train down south, wonder when we're gonna get away on an airplane. 3-4 in a minute, about to break down. Headed on the train down south, wonder when we're gonna get away on an airplane. Wait, 3-4 in a minute, about to break down. You roll when you wanna die. 3-4 in a minute, about to break down. You can roll when you wanna die. Headed on the train down south, wonder when we're gonna get away on an airplane. 3-4 in a minute, about to break down. You can roll when you wanna die. Headed on a train on south, wonder when we're gonna get away on an airplane. I love this bird. I wish I had a nice house to keep him in so I could have a pet. I live at a hostel and there's some psychopaths here, and this one lady, she slammed this guy's finger in the door on purpose. I said, did his finger just get slammed in the door? And she said, it sure did. And I thought, oh my God, and I'm scared she'll kill this bird too. You can't trust nobody. I call her the pit bull face lady. Anyway, say bye, Myron. Say bye, Myron. You're such a pretty turtle dove. Look. Oh, I want to show y'all this. Let me show y'all this. It looks just like my tattoo. Look, it's the Eye of Ra. There's Saturn. There's the rocket. That's crazy. Here, let me show y'all my tattoo. There's Saturn. There's the rocket. There's the eye. It's even got the stuff above it. Here, look. Myron's in trade. There's Corey. Look at him, his Miami outfit. It matches. Don't be shy, Corey. You got so. This place looks like a movie set, huh?